Hello everybody and welcome to another video here at Kenny's Custom Vlog. Today's subject, we are going to be talking about door handles. These are the ones that look like kind of the two holes with the industrial bar on it. And I'm going to be talking about how to get the measurements to the doors that we use, which are the 2.5s. And I'll be explaining how they look, and I'll show you how it looks at the end. How the cabinets look without the handles and then with the handle. Here we have one handle on where we have marked where the points are going to go. On this one we already have the holes made. Next to that one as well we have it marked. Then we have these two made right here. So these are our handles. These are the 3-inch handles. When it says 3-inch, it's not the total. It's actually from the hole or the center of the screws. So you would go from the measurement right here. If you buy them by packs, obviously it comes a little cheaper. And these are the brands that we're using. These are from Lowe's. And then I'll show you how to get the measurements out right now. Measurements. If you see the frames, these are 2.5s. So for the hinge or the handle, we want to keep this, the center of the handle to the line right here to the 2.5 inch. So we measure 2.5 up to right here. Now from here to the center of the frame, so half of 2.5 will be 1.25 inches. So we go 2.5 height to 1.25 inches from the inside. Now the reason I'm measuring from the inside towards the outside, because sometimes they sand down the edges and it can thin out the frame, so better off just working from the inside. So try to keep it as square as you can, so that way it doesn't look uneven. And whatever you do to one door, do it to the next one. So if you measure from the inside, measure from the inside and this side. Don't start like measure from here and then jump to this side right here, because it might throw you off a little bit. Huh? It's okay. So that concludes the end of this video. I hope you guys find it informative. I hope you guys find it entertaining. One point before I get asked this question in the comments, why I didn't use a template. There is templates that you can get. There's some that are higher end, and there's the simple ones. You can make one yourself too as well. But the problem with that I found out is if you make one out of wood, sometimes the hole they use for the drill bit will start leaving free play within the hole. So then that causes your measurement to move from a 16th. So and then you start having those handles that look kind of crooked, slanted to the side. So I decided to go measurement 1 by 1. And that's the reason I went with that. And then I didn't have time to get one of those fancy other ones. So that's the reason for that.